Did you know? You can set the Start button to automatically execute the Appliqué function first, so no extra step is needed. By the way, this video is available in multiple languages. Find your preferred language in the video description. Normally, when adding appliqués, you manually move the pantograph forward. Pressing the blue appliqué button moves it back to the last known position, so embroidery continues correctly and avoids collisions. But with Start key equals Appliqué key activated, this happens automatically when you press Start. It saves you an extra step and ensures that embroidery resumes in the right spot, faster and more efficient. Let me show you how to enable this feature. On the Start screen, press the L2 function key to open the machine setup. Then press R1 to open the operating mode setup. Check the checkbox at R5 to activate the function and press L8 to confirm. Thank me later. For more information, follow the link in the video description. Let us know how you like this function. See you next time.